Guys, this is Kayla. Welcome back to Outdoor Homes at Home Cooking Thanksgiving Edition, Leftover Edition. Today I'll be using leftover turkey and stuffing for turkey and stuffing enchiladas. Let's get to it. So right now I've got my egg at 400. In here I've got nice and hot. I've got my cast iron skillet and cast iron pot. To my skillet, I'm going to add some oil in there. This will use leftover turkey and the stuffing you have. If you don't have stuffing, you can just use the turkey. So I'm going to start with some green peppers. I'm going to saute those up, put a little bit in there. To that, add some yellow peppers and some red peppers. Of course, if you don't like peppers or don't like a certain color of pepper, you can omit those. Then we're going to add in a handful of onions. Give this a stir here. So we want to wilt these so they're able to mix in with all your ingredients and pliable. Good. Make sure coat them so they stick. Okay, so while that's going, I'm going to let those cook down a little bit before I add the rest of my stuff. Back here, I've got the cast iron pot. I'm going to add some queso melt to it. You can also use regular enchilada sauce or anything else. This will be used here in a minute. Actually, I'm going to do it now with this one. Try this so you can see. We just want to get this hot enough so we can pour it. Scrape some of this out. I've got two different kinds. I've got the regular and I've got a jalapeno one. Now you can find these at any local grocery store here in town. I know Price Cutter has some, the Harder House has some. I'm going to add just a little bit of the jalapeno one just to add extra kick and some flavor. Let that go for a minute. Set that aside. So you're not wanting to actually cook the cheese, you're just wanting it cooked enough so you can pour it. Okay, so I'm going to let these cook down a little bit. I will come back in a minute and we'll add the rest of our stuff. Alright guys, welcome back. This has been cooking for a little bit. These are all my onions and peppers that I've wilted down. To this, now I'm going to add turkey that Kenny cooked the other day. He's nice enough to give it to us. And also the stuffing that he made the other day. That's all going to go in there. Stir this around. And then to this, we're going to add our hardcore carnivore. Add that to it. Just kind of eyeball. Add lime juice. Apparently part of a lime. Give that a stir. Now, since the turkey's already cooked, we don't have to really cook it down, just enough to heat it up and mix it with all the flavors that we already have going. Okay. So I'm going to let that heat up a minute, and then we'll come back and stuff it. Alright guys, welcome back. Now that our filling is done, we're going to stuff these enchiladas. So we're going to take some tortillas. Doesn't really matter what kind you use, it can be flour, corn, any variants. To that, I'm going to do a coating of our green enchilada sauce. You can find this at any store. I'm just going to kind of coat this on there. I wish you guys could smell this. Here. Now I'm using smaller tortillas. You can use bigger ones if you want. Just accommodate the pan. Helping with the turkey meat. Employees outdoor home will be eating great. Okay guys, I'm going to keep stuffing these and we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. I have stuffed all of our enchiladas here, put them nice in a pan. To that, I'm going to add a little bit more of our enchilada sauce. Moisten them up here. Like I said, you can use red sauce if you want, you can use green sauce. This will have both green sauce and a cheese sauce on it. And then our sauce that we had melted earlier. Put this on top. Make sure this is safe to touch. Smells so good. Pretty much well covered. I'm going to add some Monterey Jack cheese. I like a lot of cheese on enchiladas. Okay, now that's covered. I'm going to go ahead and open my egg back up. I'm going to place this on here and continue to bake it until the cheese is nice and bubbly. Alright guys, so it's been about 15-20 minutes, about 350 on our egg. We're going to go ahead and open these up and take a look. Once your tortillas crisp up on the side and get all bubbly and the cheese is melted, you know they're done. This one's good. So this is a perfect way to take your turkey and stuffing leftovers, put it all in one. That way you're not making a million different dishes. So yeah, have fun with it. Until next time.